One Main Financial Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if you needed a personal loan, but traditional banks turned you down, or credit cards weren't an option? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025, alternative lenders like One Main Financial are designed to fill that gap, offering loans to people with less than perfect credit while providing transparency and flexibility. The surprising truth about One Main Financial is that it can be both a lifeline and a cautionary tale depending on how you use it. Today, we're going to explore every detail so you can decide if it's worth it or if you should leave it behind. By the end of this video, you'll understand how One Main Financial works, the types of loans it offers, interest rates, eligibility requirements, potential pitfalls, who benefits the most, and practical strategies to make borrowing smarter in 2025. Stay with me, because near the end I'll reveal one insider tip that can save you hundreds on interest if you decide to take a loan. Let's start with the basics. One Main Financial is a national lending institution that provides personal loans, auto loans, and refinancing options for individuals with a wide range of credit scores. Unlike traditional banks, which often require near-perfect credit, One Main Financial specializes in serving borrowers who might not qualify elsewhere. They combine online services with in-person branches, giving borrowers multiple ways to manage their loans. Now, let's talk about the types of loans. In 2025, One Main primarily offers personal loans, which can be used for debt consolidation, emergency expenses, home improvements, medical bills, or other needs. They also provide auto loans and refinancing for existing loans. Personal loans are typically installment loans, meaning you borrow a fixed amount and repay it over a set period with fixed monthly payments. Now let's talk about eligibility. To qualify, you generally need to be at least 18 years old, a U.S. resident, have a steady source of income, and a checking or savings account. One Main reviews credit history, income, and debt-to-income ratio. While they approve individuals with lower credit scores, approval is not guaranteed, and higher scores may receive better rates and terms. Now, let's talk about the application process. You can apply online in minutes or visit a branch for personalized assistance. The online process requires providing personal information, income details, employment verification, and banking information. Pre-qualification is available in many cases, giving you an idea of potential loan amounts and rates without impacting your credit score. Now, let's talk about interest rates. Interest rates at One Main Financial vary widely based on creditworthiness, loan amount, and term length. In 2025, APRA typically range from about 18% to over 35% for personal loans. While these rates are higher than prime bank loans, they reflect the increased risk of lending to individuals with less than perfect credit. The key is understanding that these loans can be a solution when no other low-interest options are available, but responsible borrowing is essential. Most people get this wrong. They assume One Main loans are expensive for no reason. In reality, the rates compensate for risk, but they also provide access that many borrowers wouldn't have elsewhere. Used wisely, they can help manage urgent financial needs without resorting to predatory payday loans. Now, let's talk about loan terms. One Main loans usually range from 24 to 60 months, giving borrowers flexibility in repayment. Monthly payments are fixed, so budgeting is straightforward. Some borrowers may qualify for shorter terms with higher monthly payments, which reduces overall interest paid, while others prefer longer terms with lower payments for cash flow convenience. Now, let's talk about fees. One Main does not charge prepayment penalties, which is a major advantage. This means you can pay off your loan early without extra cost, saving money on interest. Some loans may include origination fees or other administrative costs, so it's important to read the terms carefully. Transparency is a core part of One Main's 2025 approach, so all fees are disclosed upfront. Now, let's talk about security. All online applications and account management are secured with bank-level encryption. In-branch transactions follow standard banking security protocols. Your personal information is protected, and online account access allows you to monitor balances, payments, and payoff progress in real time. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. One Main Financial is ideal for individuals with limited or damaged credit who need access to funds quickly. It's also suitable for borrowers seeking debt consolidation with structured repayment, or those who cannot qualify for traditional bank loans. If used responsibly, it can help rebuild credit, provide emergency funding, and manage cash flow in challenging situations. Now, let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you have excellent credit, OneMain may not offer competitive rates compared to banks or credit unions. Also, if you tend to carry debt irresponsibly, the relatively high APR can become costly. Borrowers should be disciplined, understand terms fully, and avoid borrowing more than necessary. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Maria, who needed $5,000 to cover unexpected medical bills. She had a credit score in the low 600s, so traditional banks denied her loan. OneMain approved her with a fixed-rate loan and a manageable repayment schedule. By making payments on time, Maria avoided late fees, improved her credit score over time, and solved her immediate financial problem. Similarly, Tom used a OneMain loan to consolidate multiple high-interest credit cards, reducing his monthly payments and interest costs while rebuilding credit history. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Many borrowers take out larger loans than necessary, underestimating the total interest cost. Others miss payments, which can lead to late fees and credit score damage. The key is borrowing only what you need, budgeting for repayment, and paying on time. Now, let's talk about convenience. OneMain combines online access with physical branches, which is unique among alternative lenders. Borrowers can manage accounts digitally, make payments via bank transfer, autopay, or in person. Notifications help track due dates and prevent missed payments. Now, let's talk about credit impact. OneMain reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Timely payments can improve credit scores, while missed payments can have a negative effect. Using a OneMain loan responsibly can be the path to rebuilding or establishing credit history over time. Now, let's talk about customer service. OneMain offers support through phone, online chat, and in-branch assistance. Representatives can explain terms, provide payoff options, and help manage accounts. This combination of personal and digital service provides flexibility for different user preferences. Now, let's answer the big question. Is OneMain Financial worth it in 2025? If you need access to funds and have limited options through traditional banks, yes, OneMain provides a transparent, structured, and flexible solution for borrowers with non-prime credit. However, it's essential to understand interest rates, budget for repayment, and use loans responsibly. If you already have access to low-interest credit or excellent financial discipline, other lenders may offer better terms. Here is the surprising truth. OneMain is not just a loan provider, it can be a tool for rebuilding financial stability. By making consistent payments, monitoring your account, and avoiding unnecessary borrowing, you can turn a high-interest loan into a stepping stone towards stronger credit and financial health. So let me ask you something. Would you let an unexpected expense derail your finances, or would you have a structured, responsible solution ready? If this review helped you understand OneMain Financial, hit the like button so more people can discover practical lending options. Subscribe for more in-depth financial reviews, and comment below, would you consider a personal loan with OneMain to manage short-term needs? Responsible borrowing can be a bridge to financial stability, and knowing your options in 2025 makes all the difference.